Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's a really great honor for me to addressing you. Unfortunately, I am not with you because of the certain uncertainty for me, but it's a great event to address all of you. And I would like to share with you the when we are struggling in a global crisis. Economic crisis is one front is there, but same time we should not forget our climate crisis, and that is the key concern for all of us is there. Part of that, it's a really great initiative to recognize the organizations and individuals. It's a great initiative taken by Sir Richard Branson. So I have a grateful thanks for them because these initiatives is contributing the lot awareness. Not only that, it's giving a huge motivation to all the individuals and the companies who is contributing this. As a part of Suzlon, we are always believing in the sustainable development, and that's the contribution we are continuously putting to bring the more and more renewables in the world. Today, my team has already delivered in the last 15 years the 15,000 megawatt installation in nearly 25 countries to contribute the greener and renewable revolution in the industries. Part of that, we have to understand nearly 30 million tons the carbon replacement by these renewable assets. It will contribute some of the crisis management, but it's not enough. We have to do lots. So my submission is we all individual has to give more and more contribution on energy efficiency, but same time renewable development so that we collectively bring the sustainable world for our children and come to the next future. I'm extremely grateful of the Carbon Boardroom and Sir Richard Branson. Academy has recognized our organizations and giving us such a great honor. I'm really grateful of all of you. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.